Have you ever seen an industrial IoT lock like this? This is a rectangle. Duplicate it, scale it down, center it, and slightly reshape it. A minimalist lock outline appears. Add realistic materials, add some texture details. Of course, add an electromechanical module. Now, the lock is powered. Add an authentication module. Now it supports card access, Bluetooth, remote control, and mechanical keys. Add a communication module. Now it supports DORS 485, Ethernet, and Bluetooth. 1511 series electronic lock. It offers multiple access methods. Card, Bluetooth, remote control, or mechanical key. Use whichever you prefer. Equipped with audible and visual feedback. In case of unauthorized access, you'll be notified immediately for safer management. Protection rating, IP65 and above. It can still function normally after being submerged in water for 2 hours. Real-time monitoring of lock, unlock records. Cloud-based collaboration with clear accountability. Also supports integration with EV charging management systems. Applicable to EV charging stations, energy storage cabinets, and industrial control cabinets. These are our customers. Yeeka 1511 series electronic lock. Enables intelligent and digital operation for your industrial cabinets.